The Logitech Wave Keys stands out as one of the best entry-level ergonomic keyboards you can find. Its compact and sleek design is both visually appealing and functional, making it a strong contender in the budget category for anyone looking to improve their typing comfort without breaking the bank. At around $60, it's priced higher than some other options, but the price is justifiable given its excellent performance and ergonomic design. One of the key features that make the Wave Keys stand out is its sculpted layout. The keyboard has a slight rise near the center, which provides a more natural typing position and helps reduce strain during long typing sessions. It's especially useful for those transitioning to an ergonomic setup, as the design is intuitive and doesn't require much adjustment time. This makes it a great choice for people who have never used an ergonomic keyboard before and are looking for something that feels natural from the get-go. In terms of performance, the Logitech Wave Keys is compatible with multiple operating systems, which is a big plus if you use both Windows and Mac OS. The wireless connection options, Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless, ensure that you can use the keyboard with a wide range of devices without dealing with messy cables. Additionally, the long battery life means you won't be constantly charging or replacing batteries, further enhancing the convenience. The keyboard's lightweight build is another plus, though it does come with a minor drawback. The overall build quality feels a bit flimsy, especially when compared to more premium ergonomic keyboards. The lack of backlighting is another downside, especially if you're someone who prefers working in low-light environments. Additionally, there are no media controls or shortcut keys, which may be a deal-breaker for power users looking for extra functionality. Despite these minor flaws, the Logitech Wave Keys is an exceptional choice for those seeking a no-fuss, budget-friendly ergonomic keyboard. Its ergonomic design is one of the most accessible for newcomers, making it an ideal option for those who want to experience the benefits of ergonomic typing without spending a lot of money. If you're willing to spend a little more, you might also consider the Logitech K350, which is a slightly older model but still offers excellent performance at a similar price point.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.